Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the color picker. The color picker is on the drawing canvas. You can get to the drawing canvas in two ways, either from the draw button shown here or from the pen icon on the top right. We will use the pen icon to go directly to the drawing canvas. Let's go there. On the drawing canvas, there are many drawing tools on the top. The color picker is the one shown here. In order to show you how to use the color picker, I am going to open up a previous drawing. I am first going to go back to the home page, and then press and then go to my paintings. Once there, you can open up all your saved drawings here, and for this video I'm going to open up this one already saved. When you press it, it will open up the drawing in the drawing canvas. In a typical drawing, we have colors that we want to pick. In this example, I will show you how to pick the colors. Let's say we want to pick this orange color. Now, move your finger or stylus to the orange color. You can go to another part of the drawing and you will see it has assumed the orange color. Let's do the same for green. You can see it picks the exact same color which we can use for drawing. The color picker is a powerful tool when we do block coloring. You will find this method of drawing and painting in the video guides. For information on this and more, please check out the other video guides provided on the Paintology app. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps us greatly to improve the Paintology app, the only digital drawing app close to the real thing.